Hello everyone, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be making a shaker card using products from Imagine and also the new StazOn Pigment Ink. This is great if you have not tried it yet. It's brand new and you just have to try it. You'll love it. But anyhow, I'm going to show you how to use it on some of their Vertigo paper here. This I think is a snakeskin pattern, so you can see there. I'm going to be using that, and then I'm also going to be using some StazOn all-purpose stamp cleaner to clean my stamps after I use it for the StazOn Pigment Ink. I've been using StazOn stamp cleaner on my clear stamps for 10 years plus, and I've never had any problems. I love this to clean my stamps with, and I'll also be using some terra tape. So, let me see, to get started here, put that aside, I have got my card already, so this is my card base. And then I cut the front panel just slightly smaller, and then in the middle of it I used a rectangular die and just cut out that in the middle, and then I used a bigger rectangular die and cut a piece of acetate so it will fit like that. So first I'm going to stamp onto my acetate piece here. So I'm going to use my Misty, and then I'm going to be using these stamps, these butterflies, and then the sentiment right here. I'll also be die cutting the butterflies out, but I'm going to be using the Vertigo paper with that, so I'll show you how I'm going to do that in a little bit. So basically I'm going to just try to center my stamp in the middle of the acetate. So this is the StazOn Pigment Ink. This is in Peacock Feathers. I'm just going to ink up my stamp. And then just stamp it right down onto the acetate piece. So there you go. You can see how well that stamped onto the acetate. It is beautiful, and this is like my favorite color too. So I'm going to set that aside to dry, and then I am just going to take the StazOn cleaner and just spray that right on there, and then taking a microfiber cloth and just clean it right off. And there we go, my stamp is as good as new. So now, taking the Vertigo, I'm going to cut a piece here, and then using the two butterfly stamps I'm going to stamp onto the Vertigo. And now you can see that it's stamped on there, and I'm going to die cut these out after I clean my stamps off again. Okay, so now to die cut these, I just put the die cuts, right on there, which came off. So let me put them back on again. So I'm just holding them on there with a piece of washi tape, like so. And then I am going to run them through my Gemini Junior. So basically the setup is the same as you would with any die cut, except for I'm also going to use the metal shim in this, and then just run it through. And there we go. I have two butterflies. Okay, so now using some terra tape, I'm going to go along the outside edge, cut out on the front panel of the card, centering my sentiment into the panel as best as I can, and then just peel the backing off of the terra tape on everywhere. Okay, so on the back of the front panel I added some double-sided foam adhesive, and then I added a frame onto the front of my card. This is Renia foiled paper. I think this is the turquoise color, and then I just used another rectangle die cut and cut the center out, and then it just adhered it onto here, like so. I was thinking about using these sequences, so I'm just going to add them into the center here. And I also, at first I was thinking of going a different angle on my card than where I actually did do. And out of the Vertigo paper, I cut out with the stamp right here, the die cut, I cut out the word beautiful. So since I decided I'm not going to end up using these, I figured I could just add them in here also as some sequences, the letters. And then just peel off the backing, center it up on my card. And there we go. There are the sequences. And then I'm just going to adhere the butterflies. And a little piece of terra tape on each one. And then I'm just going to bend the wings back. And there we go. There is my card. Oops, drop it. Thank you so much for watching. Please visit imaginecrafts.com for even more inspiration, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the like button as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.